Hot97.com and FlexWeTrust.com. Add me on Twitter at FunkMasterFlex. Get at me on Instagram at DJ FunkFlex. 2 Chainz.
Yeah. I'm going in, I don't need a pen. Every time I sip my cup, it costs me like 10. $100 swisher, take your girl faster than Twister. Only comp I got is when I'm looking in the mirror. Red eyes, I devised the plan from hand to hand. I'm so fresh, I am like a walking mannequin. Racks, got them looking like hammer pants. Shoot you, then shoot up your ambulance. Who but me, I run the streets. Pockets obese, my girl petite. Talk is cheap, but I won't buy it. She got some good hair, I'm gonna try it. All these rappers slash vaginas. Hit her so good, I make her slash my tires. Do I die if I do. No bus driver, but I take him to school. Whoa.
You know what it is, Hot 97, Funk Flex, 2 Chainz. Man, listen.
Whoa.
It's what we do, New York.
Wow. Serve him, champ. I'm gonna cap it up for you, champ. Album out August the 14th, like I said, man, you know you have to do this when you come to New York. It's a part of the culture.
The ride out, we riding now.
Part of the culture, man. One time for the city, though, one time for the Apple, one time for Flex.
Yes.
True.